Hello everyone, this is Aida Gholami from Agrimasoft Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to work with freeze panes in Excel. You can find this option in View tab, and in Windows segment you can find freeze panes. So if you click on that, you can see three other options showing up. I will explain it step by step, how to work with them and the tips you should know. So first one is freeze panes. So for working with freeze panes, you should first select a row or a column. So I select a row and I want to go for freeze panes. So when I click on freeze panes, it will freeze up to row number 9. So I have selected the row number 10 and it will freeze to the row number 9, not including number 10. Please pay attention. And it will bring these rows with me whenever I um, scroll down and wherever I go. So let's see how it works. I select the row number 10. I go for freeze panes and click on freeze panes. Then you can see that 1 to 9 is always with me. So that's the first option. Then I go for unfreeze panes and I want to do the same with columns. So I select that D column. So column D, I select it, and as you can guess, probably it will freeze to column C. So it will bring from A to C with me whenever I scroll to the right of the worksheet. So I go for freeze panes and let's see what happens. It will bring up to column C with me. So I again go for unfreeze panes. There is two other options here, freeze top row and freeze first column. So they don't need you to select any row or column. It doesn't work that way. It just needs to select the option freeze top row, and then whenever I go down, the first row is always with me. Again, I go for unfreeze panes and freeze first column, and you can see that the first column is always with me. So I guess that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to Agrimasoft channel. I'll be seeing you in the next video, and bye.